Here we are, Grandpa and Arlene's. Hey, Tate. There's Ken.
Hello.
And Grandpa.
Might break the camera though.
Here's all the puppies over here. There's 11 of these little puppies.
I like you. No, I like you.
What kind of dog are they?
Labradoodle.
Labradoodles.
So they won't shed.
So how many are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where are the other ones, Cars?
Wait, what?
Out there!
Heard that before.
Carson's staying up here because he's afraid of Natasha. Hey, Colves.
Yeah.
Hey, sweetheart. Hey, Taters. Where's the other puppies?
Oh.
Where are they? Show me where they are. Where are they?
Let's put Tasha on the chain.
There's 3 more.
You guys down.
Oh, 4 more.
Tasha! Here, Tasha. Come here, sweetheart. Good job.
Tate loves puppies, so he's in heaven. Be gentle with him, gentle, huh?
You can't get really close to Tasha because she'll still knock you over.
They're so fun at this age.
So if we take the boys over here, then she won't trip.
Be gentle with them. Pet them softly. Hi, Bridger.
You're cute puppies.
Hi, sweetheart.
Wait, so who's the puppy? Ken's go. Ken has to. That way you don't trip the little kids, okay, Tasha? You know you're not planning on hurting anybody. Hi, puppy. You're cute. They're so soft. Do they grow up to be a soft? I don't know.
Tate likes the puppy.
They're Labradoodles, so maybe they will be. Do they get? Are they soft when they get big?
Yes.
Really?
Really soft. The ones that
There's enough. Everyone could play with one.
won't be as much, but these ones are really good.
This one's really soft. Is it soft? Soft.
Just the perfect size for you, huh, Tate?
Tate loves puppies.
I look at some of them, I can just see Jack's face. Really?
There's Justin and Colby,
And none of these are.
Elise,
No, it's weird.
Well, the one has a little bit of white around the eye.
Mom, and Marie, and Bridgie boy, and Tate,
And where did she?
That was
and his puppy heaven. And Carson over there, and Dad, and Grandpa, Aunt Patty.
the first litter of Lisa's Labrador and the one poodle was Tasha, Lola, and Ziggy.